Alright, I am at the Audio-Technica booth here at CES 2020. We've got a lot of products on display, of course. Their big new release is the ANC300TW, totally wireless, noise canceling. There are a few companies that are releasing products like this here at CES 2020, so this is kind of the new state-of-the-art to get a totally wireless headphone, true wireless headphone that is noise canceling as well. This is coming in at $230, so competitive with some of the other guys out there. It is, like I said, it is a competitive market because everyone's releasing these this year. And this is rated for IPX2 waterproof, so that's good. 4.5 hours of battery life. You know what, it's not that high, but it's probably all right if you consider that it is noise canceling, because that takes a lot of extra power. And it's an update from their CK3TW, which was their first, I believe their first truly wireless headphone, which I believe they released last year. So this product really caught my attention here at Audio-Technica. The SPORT90BT, $149. Looks like a standard around the back, around the neck headset, but actually this has built-in memory, 4 gigabytes. It's a 4 gigabyte music player. So that's enough to hold about 5 or 6 albums worth. Now it translates to about 50 songs. Now that sounds a little bit old school, but consider it is the music player. So if you're at the gym or you're running outside and you don't want to take your phone with you, or you don't want to take whatever music MP3 player you have with you, this is the whole thing. This is everything. Now it's an interesting market. You know, most people have their smartphones with them at all times these days, but I know that when I go to the gym, I really don't need my phone with me, right? And this is actually really compelling, a really neat product. So kind of combining old school and new school tech, 4 gigabyte music player, that sounds like year 2000, but having it around your neck like this, pretty cool. So I could see a pretty big market for this among people who are gym rats or runners who really don't want their phone or even an MP3 player, which is kind of an outdated concept anyway, with them when they're exercising. By the way, to load up your music, you actually just plug it in. That's actually the Type-C connector right there. I assume that's also how you charge it, but that's how you get all your data on there. You charge it up and you're good to go. So then you can probably have enough music on there to run a marathon. And that's plenty. All right, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.